Thank you for visiting etcanada.com. I'm Rick Campanelli. Enjoy the following uncut interview.
Why does everybody need to think you're dead?
I did not hurt that woman. No!
You're not a monster. You saved my life.
Beauty and the Beast premieres Thursday at 9, only on Showcase.
Yes, it's TV's newest hot couple, Kristin Kreuk's the beauty, Jay Ryan is the beast. And I mean this in the most loving way, but you're not exactly the beastly looking man as you sit here in front of me.
Thanks for the compliment.
Okay.
I appreciate it. That's right. I mean, this is a very new, fresh take on Beauty and the Beast,
Yes.
set in a modern-day New York City. And our Beast's backstory in this show is that he's part of a military experiment that's gone wrong. So he looks like a normal guy, but he's a guy searching for his humanity, and they've created these super soldiers, which turn into beasts, obviously. So he does have a very dark side, and I go through up to 5 hours of makeup when the Beast is actually shown on the show.
Well, tell us about that. I mean, you do have a pretty nasty, gnarly scar.
Yeah.
5 hours is a long time. Roz takes at least 4.
I heard,
I
yeah.
know. And
I know.
so, but 5 hours is a long time for a guy.
It is a long time. It's almost half a day at work, you know.
Yeah.
So I sit there and I usually fall asleep.
Do you?
Yeah, I have that luxury that I can actually just, relax and fall asleep as all
Nice.
this glue is being stuck on me.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Wow. Do you love this role?
I do, because it's like it's playing two people almost. It's Vincent, this man struggling for his humanity, and then this kind of evil creature almost that it has this killer instinct. So, yeah, it's great for me. I've done a lot of theater and stuff like that, so playing the Beast is very physical, and I get to be quite theatrical, and then Vincent's very humble and, quiet.
You were obviously very familiar with Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah.
Probably from whether it's the animated, the book, the TV series.
Yeah.
Did you brush up on it more so, or did you kind of just let it?
You know what? It was sort of imprinted in my brain as a young one. The 1987 version.
Yeah.
I used to watch that all the time when I was a kid. So when I got the script for the pilot, I was like, wow, what is this? What is this going to be? This take on it. And I was hoping it wouldn't be like a complete replica of the 87 show, because that was so fantastic. And it wasn't, so I was like, yeah, I'll go for this.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
You ready for some Twitter questions?
No. Yes.
They're unedited.
Oh, okay.
You really?
Okay. So I get to keep.
We have a Twitter question for you from Grace Olivia, who would like to know, how did you get the role of Vincent?
I paid a lot of people. No, I was actually in New Zealand. I was shooting a mini-series for Sundance called Top of the Lake with Elizabeth Moss from Mad Men. And I had a shaved head, so I wasn't going to come and do pilot season in America. I thought no one will cast me like this, but I got a call saying, come over, they want to see you for this role. And so I got on the plane and did several auditions, met with Kristin, we did a chemistry read. They put this kind of crazy wig on me because I had this shaved head, which you see in all the posters and promos. And yeah, we just kind of clicked and got the role.
Fantastic. And Sarah from T-Dot, is that right?
Is that Toronto?
Also wants to know, how was it on the first day on set?
Well, the first day on set was the pilot that we shot. So I came in late because I was shooting this other show in New Zealand, and they literally put me straight into the Beast makeup, straight into costumes. So I met all the cast members in Beast makeup.
Oh, wow.
Which was kind of unnerving for them, I think.
Yeah, for
Because
sure.
when I put the Beast makeup on, I become this kind of joker. Because no one wants to talk to you when you look like that,
Well, I think you should come in makeup one time, and you could co-host a show with us.
I would be happy to.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Well, we'll do it. Thank you so much for coming in.
Pleasure.
Of course, Jay is the Beast, and it starts tomorrow on Showcase.